Day 61. What happens if you burp in space? In zero gravity, liquid and gas don't separate like they do on Earth. So when astronauts try to burp, the gas and liquid mix together, and instead of simple burp, they might end up throwing up. It's a wild thought, right? Imagine floating around in your spaceship, and instead of a satisfying release, you're dealing with a mess. That's why astronauts have to be super careful about what they eat and drink up there. Space travel is amazing, but it definitely comes with some unique challenges.